Welcome to another How to Draw Stuff with me, Calvin Innes. Today I'm going to show you some really easy bits and pieces for when you're learning to draw your characters. Now, one of the most important things you can learn to draw when you're drawing characters for the first time is how to draw expressions. Now, in real life, expressions are really complicated things. There are lots of bits and pieces of your face that tells people how you're feeling. So whenever you're feeling happy or sad or scared, there are hundreds of bits and pieces that happens around your face that tells people exactly how you're feeling. So when you're happy, you don't just smile. Your forehead wrinkles up a little bit, you get little wrinkles at the side of your eyes, your pupils actually get a little bit wider, blood rushes to your face, it gets a little bit more flushed. Loads of tiny bits and pieces that you don't even realise you're picking up on that tell people how you're feeling. Now, cartoonists, our entire job is to simplify things and exaggerate things. So we make things really nice and simple, and we'll make things big and bright and bold and easy to understand. So when you're drawing eyes for a cartoon, there are actually only 6 different types of eyes that you need to learn to draw, and then you can start coming up with all these cool expressions. So first off, we're going to go for happy or surprised eyes. Happy or surprised eyes are just big, wide open eyes. We're going to stick a couple of pupils on. Now, if you remember, when you're drawing your pupils, to leave a little white dot on there, that little shine brings your eyes to life. So your eyes work because they're wet. You wouldn't be able to blink, you wouldn't be able to look around if your eyes were dry. So by leaving that tiny shine on there, you're bringing your character's eyes to life a little bit. The next eyes we're going to do are angry eyes. The angry eyes, it's all about getting the first shape right. As soon as you've got that first shape, they're really nice and easy to draw. And that first shape is the letter V. Once you've got that V shape, put the bottom of your eyes on, put your pupils on, remembering to leave the little white dots, and you've got your angry eyes. Sad eyes, just the same. We're just going to take that V shape and turn it upside down. So for sad eyes, we're going to go for the roof of a house. Once you've got the roof of a house, let's put the bottom of the eyes on, let's put the pupils on, remembering those little white dots, and you've got your sad eyes. Next eyes, really simple again, we're going to go for sneaky eyes. Now sneaky eyes, you start off with a straight line. Once you've got your straight line, put your eyes underneath again. And this time, we're going to put the pupils off to the side. So your character, making sure nobody knows what he's up to, he's looking off to the side. And there you go, you've got your sneaky eyes. There's only 2 more to do now, okay? Now blinking eyes. Blinking eyes in real life are really difficult. There are loads of little folds and creases with your eyelids that it makes them really hard to draw. Cartoonists are quite lazy. So again, we take out all the detail, make it really nice and simple. So blinking eyes in a cartoon, you want to be drawing birds' feet. So birds' feet, they're like 2 little arrows pointing in at each other. Now that works perfectly well for blinking eyes. And it also works perfectly well for birds' feet. So blinking eyes in a cartoon, really simple. Now the next set of eyes, this a little bit more difficult, but this time we're going to put 2 different types of eyes together. So we're going to take 1/2 of these angry eyes. There you go. So you've got 1/2 of that V shape. And we're going to take 1/2 of these happy or surprised eyes, put those together. And straight away, your eyes are trying to work something out. There's no other parts of the character going on here, no other parts of the face. You don't even know what the character is, but you know the eyes are trying to work something out. So they might be lost, they might have a difficult maths problem. Just from the eyes, you can figure out quite a lot about what your character is thinking. And that's it. That's the 6 different types of eyes that you're going to need to put together in different ways to show pretty much any expression. Now, once you've learnt these, you can start playing about with them a little bit. So if you want your character to be tired, you put some eyelids on. You want your character to be even more tired, put a couple more on, maybe some bags under the eyes. You've got a really tired character. This one here, I want my character to be more angry. So all I do is I make the V shape more pronounced. So the V shape points down a little bit more. Finish off those eyes again. And you've got really angry eyes. If I want my character to be a little bit less angry, make that V shape a little bit flatter. Put the eyes on, remember to leave the little white dots. And it works exactly the same with sad eyes. So my sad eyes here, I want my character to be sad, but maybe not quite that sad. So, the little roof of a house, I make less pointed. Still got sad eyes, but not quite as sad as that one. And that's it. Once you've got those 6 different types of eyes, you can start playing about with them, you can start exaggerating bits and pieces, you can start adding all sorts of details on. So you've got eyebrows, you've got a little beak there. All of a sudden you've got an owl, you've got a person, you've got some sort of cat. Okay, they're all exactly the same. So grab your pens and pencils, practice drawing these eyes. Next time I'm going to show you how to draw the 6 different mouths.